If you truly want to be like Jesus, choose to stay kind when others turn away. Stay when people leave. Forgive even when it feels undeserved. Ephesians 4:32 reminds us, "Be kind and compassionate, forgiving one another, just as God forgave you." Jesus showed love not only to the perfect, but to the hurting, the rejected, and the weak. Being like Him means loving when it is hard. Choose grace when others judge. Choose patience when anger is easier. Choose love even when your heart feels tired. This does not mean you are weak. It means God's love is alive in you. In a world quick to condemn, your quiet mercy can change hearts. When you love like Jesus, your life becomes a light that reflects His compassion, healing, and hope to everyone around you. Amen.